In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video on your Gumtree ads. By the end, you'll know exactly how to film your item, upload the clip to YouTube, and attach it to your Gumtree listing so buyers can see it in action. Start by recording your video, keep it simple and clear, place your item in good, even lighting, wipe it down so it looks its best and use a steady shot, rest your phone on a stable surface or use both hands, film in landscape for a wider view and get close enough to show important details like labels, ports or any wear. Most importantly, demonstrate the item working, power it on, show the screen lighting up, press the buttons, or spin the wheels, whatever proves it functions. Aim for 20 to 60 seconds so buyers get what they need without losing interest, and avoid including personal details or anything in the background you don't want to share. Next, upload the video to YouTube. Open YouTube on your phone or computer, sign in and choose upload. Select your clip and let it process. While it's uploading, give the video a straightforward title that matches your Gumtree ad and write a short description with key details like the model and condition. This helps viewers connect what they're seeing to your listing. When you reach the visibility settings, set the video to public or unlisted. Public makes it discoverable on YouTube searches, which can bring extra attention to your Gumtree ad. Unlisted hides it from search results and your channel page, but anyone with the link can watch it. Either option works on Gumtree. Just avoid private because private videos won't play in your ad. Once the video is finished processing, copy the link. The easiest way is to click share on the video's page and copy the standard YouTube URL. Make sure it's the full link and not a link that requires special permissions. Now head back to Gumtree and open your ad. Either create a new listing or edit an existing one. Look for the field that says add a YouTube video link. Click into that field and paste the link you copied. Gumtree should recognize it right away and generate a preview. If you see a thumbnail or confirmation, you're good to go. Continue filling out or reviewing the rest of your ad details, then publish or update your listing. That's it. Record a clear, honest demo, upload it to YouTube as public or unlisted, copy the link and paste it into your Gumtree ad. Adding video helps buyers trust your listing, answer questions before they're asked, and sell faster.